What's going on, guys? Got this Silverking in that we completely restored for one of our new clients, Captain Eric. Jeff did all the glass work and paint work. Came out really nice. Boat was done probably a month or two ago. Put a new rub rail on it. And then now we're just doing some final touches. He had a door made for the console that we're cutting out, putting that in there. And then he had the top made for up top. So that's done. And just a couple little things. Installed a rod holder on that side. So, but I mean, this thing came out really nice. We did the stickers for him. Came out super nice. Did the FL numbers for him as well. Came out sweet. Yeah, look, came out really nice. Old boat too. I think it's an oldie. You know what year it is? It is the 1980. So super clean boat. Jeff did a great job. If you guys are in the market of redoing your skiff, give us a shout. We'll get you taken care of. We did the non-skid and the hull, all that. Came out really nice. Give us a shout. Miller Marine, Island Boat Works, Island Rada. Let us know.